sakto to mga ka-vibes dahil kakatapos lang ng Coachella.
Tama.
At doon nag-performa si Joe Jonas para sa kantang When You Look Me in the Eyes.
Yon.
Sir Harry Lerma.
Teka, wala yan. Ay, ito.
If the heart is always searching,
Uy!
can you ever find a home? I've been looking for that someone. I'll never make it on my dreams. Can take the place of loving you. There's gotta be a million reasons why it's true. When you look me in the eyes, yun, and tell me that you love me, everything's alright. When you're right here by my side, when you look me in the eyes, I catch a glimpse of heaven.
Knocks naman sa heaven.
I find my paradise. Ba? When you look me in the eyes. Aba? How long will I be waiting
How long will you be
to be
waiting?
with you again?
Oh no.
I'm gonna tell you that I
love
love you
you
in the best way that I
can.
take days without you here.
Kaya pa ba?
You're the light that makes my darkness disappear. When you look me in the eyes and tell me that you love me, everything's alright. When you're right here by my side, when you look me in the eyes, I catch a glimpse of
Blips pala yun.
heaven. I find my paradise when you look me in the eyes. Ha? Pinas mo pa talaga, ha? Ito na yun, eh. Grabe, namalat tayo doon, DJ. Nakakaya
Feeling ko kailangan mag-voices.
Iba naman yun, nakakaya naman yun. Pinapahiya natin yung...
Yan, nakulangan ako sa exercise, sorry.
Ano to?
Sana tayo.
Saan ba tayo?
Ayan na, when you look me in the eyes.
Yes. Tell me that you love me. Everything's alright.
Partida, may kodigo pa kami.
When you're right here by my side. When you look me in the eyes, I catch a glimpse of heaven.
Wala ako. I find my paradise
When
when
you look me in the eyes and
eyes.
tell me that you love me.
Tell me that you love me.
Everything's alright.
Everything's
When you're
alright.
right here
By my side, by my side. When you look me in the eyes, I catch a glimpse of heaven. I find my paradise
when you look me in the eyes. Gusto ko yung mga barat-barat mo, eh. No?
Yes, you know me.
Iba eh.
I'm fully prepared.
Iba yung birit mo, DJ Kim.
Oh,
Parang kabayo yun, ano? Parang kabayong magandang boses.
yan. And ladies and gentlemen, parang nag-perform sa Araneta, no?
Coachella!
Coachella, mag-ingay!
Aba, naman talaga. Oh.
Ganon.
Lakas ng loob, ano?